In this video, I'm taking you through my full experience using Nestaway, one of India's leading platforms for renting homes without involving brokers. Whether you're looking to rent a shared room, a private 1 BHK, or even a fully furnished flat, Nestaway claims to offer a seamless experience. The homepage is clean and intuitive, showing options to filter by city, number of rooms, and furnishing type. Signing up is quick, an OTP-based mobile registration, and you're immediately directed to the listings. Once inside, I noticed the listings were abundant but often outdated. Many of the available flats were already taken, and some even had incorrect rent amounts. Nestaway does categorize homes as either Nestaway managed or owner managed, which makes a big difference. The managed homes offer maintenance support and scheduled cleaning, while owner-managed ones are more like standard rentals without added perks. Their virtual tours are a handy feature, especially when you're relocating to a new city and can't physically inspect a flat. However, I found discrepancies between the virtual tour visuals and the actual condition of the property when I visited. The app interface is slick, and maintenance requests are easily raised, but resolution times can vary. In my case, some repairs took days despite repeated follow-ups. Customer support was responsive via chat, but less effective over calls. There was a time I got stuck between layovers with no hotel and no internet. That's when I first tried Trip.com, and now I carry it with me like a first aid kit. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Moving on to payments, Nestaway's rent structure is upfront and transparent. They do charge a one-time onboarding fee and hold a security deposit, which they claim to refund post-inspection. My refund process was delayed by a few weeks, and I had to follow up multiple times. One key issue is property handovers. If you're exiting, inspections can be overly strict, sometimes deducting from the deposit for pre-existing damages. That's something users need to be cautious about. The community living aspect, especially in shared homes, is a plus for people new to the city. They organize occasional meetups and ensure that tenants are verified. However, I've seen reports of disputes between tenants being poorly managed. Nestaway's strength lies in its no brokerage promise and user-friendly app, but it lacks consistency in property quality and back-end operations. If you're someone who values convenience and minimal legwork, Nestaway might suit your needs. Just be sure to double-check everything before you sign. I'd recommend it for short stays or temporary moves, but for long-term housing, due diligence is essential. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.